you how every entrepreneur can 10x their email list in a few days. I'm going to share that because I see a lot of entrepreneurs that are looking to grow your list. They understand first that an email list is one of the best things, one of the first things that they need to focus on growing. But now they gotta understand how to grow it. Well, Gabriel Julié, your boy, is going to give you the best way, strategy, step-by-step process on how you can grow your list today. So stay tuned for that. Number one thing that you gotta do is that you got to start advertising a free event that you will give your customers, your dream customers, a desired results. So you start advertising first. And that's one of the first lessons that you got to understand, the first mind shift that you got to do. Whatever you are doing, start by promoting first, because the most important thing is not the product by itself, is the promotion that's around it. That's the most important thing. If you got an event, the success of this event is going to depend on how much promotion you do, and if it's efficient, of course. But how much promotion do you do before the event to make sure enough people come in there so that it's profitable, it brings you money? Your first zone of focus should be to, goddamn, like promoting the event. That's your first zone of focus. That's the first thing that you got to focus on. Start by advertising an event. But the second thing that you got to do is that you got to decompose the steps to reach that goal. So you advertise, okay, we're going to do this incredible event on how to grow your business in 10 steps. So make sure that you stay connected and you register to that link in order to benefit from it. It's totally free. Get it. Okay. Now you decompose. Okay, this is my end result. This is where my dream customers want to go. How can I, what are the steps that they need to take in order to get gradually to that level? You're going to decompose each of those steps and really understand, okay, what are the things that are preventing them to succeed? Find experts in your industry that you can interview on each of the steps. That's when it starts to get juicy. You got to talk about follow-up. You got to talk about lead generation. You got to talk about high-ticket funnels. You got to talk about sales funnels, things like that. You decompose, okay, they need to know about all those things to make sure they get to the next level. Great. Which experts that are also talking to my dream audiences can I gather around that? And you're going to tell them, hey man, hey, we're going to do something really interesting. We're going to make a free event. You can come on. I'm gonna simply interview you, ask you 3 questions, and the presentation you can, of course, promote whatever program that you got going on right now. The thing is, yeah, just gather people, make sure that you tell them to join to the event because it's free and they're going to get a ton of value out of it. You got to invite them on your events. And that's the most important part of the process. If not, it's not going to work, as like you're going to lose 90% of the results. So make sure you do what's written in bold. Make sure they invite their audiences. That's the most important part, because that's great running your events to people that you already had. That's great. Maybe you're going to get a few people, but the way you're going to dramatically improve your email list size, grow it extremely fast, is by getting those people, making sure they promote a ton that event. Give them some material, make it easy for them, give them a ton of ideas, ton of hooks, do all the work for them, because all the work that you're going to do for them is actually going to bring you all that traffic from their audiences to you, because they're going to go to see their guys, their girl going to it, but they're going to also see other people. And you're going to be the host, having that authority, and you're going to gather all the traffic and put them all into your email list. That's one of the fastest ways to do that. Next thing that you got to do, and I already went ahead and like say kind of the things that I needed to say, but hey, you got to be the host of the party and get everybody on your list. That's the goal. But you got to make sure that they promote the event to their list first, because if you don't do that, well, it's not going to have as good results as it can possibly have. By the way, guys, hey, make sure that you check out this link. Make sure that you check out gabrieljulié.com/action plan, because on this, I just talked about this step-by-step process, guys. I'm going deeper into this because this is just like a YouTube video. I can do a freaking masterclass, but I don't want to do that here because we don't have the time. So go in there, go check out this link. I'm putting a daily action plan in there. It's changing every day, so make sure that you apply it fast to make sure that you actually grow your business as fast as possible. That's gabrieljulié.com/action plan.